Get ready, tech enthusiasts. In this video, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro, exploring its features and specifications based on the latest release information. So here we go.
Ever wondered if there's a phone out there that strikes the perfect balance between design, functionality, and the latest technology trends? Allow us to introduce you to the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro, a dual SIM, nano SIM smartphone expected to hit the market on May 25, 2024. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into what makes the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro a phone worth considering. First impressions matter, and the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro does not disappoint. Its slim dimensions of roughly 6.25 by 2.82 by 0.3 inches encompass a myriad of color options, from striking purple to classic gray. The display is a sight to behold, boasting a color AMOLED screen, a high 360 Hz touch sampling rate, and a large 6.67-inch screen with a high-resolution display. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus and features a subtle punch hole. With a design that's both sleek and durable, the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro is a delight to behold. But a phone is more than just a pretty face, right? The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro boasts an impressive 8GB of RAM and a generous 256GB of storage. However, there isn't a card slot. It's also 5G ready, supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C. The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro packs a punch when it comes to memory and connectivity, ensuring a seamless user experience. Now, let's talk about what really sets this phone apart. The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro sports a 3-lens rear camera, with a whopping 50-megapixel wide-angle lens. The front camera isn't slacking either, with a 32-megapixel wide-angle lens. This phone runs on Android V14 with a custom MIUI 15 interface and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset. The in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock provide seamless security, while VC liquid cooling keeps the device cool. With these features, the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro sets a new standard in smartphone technology. So, what makes the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro a must-have gadget? This smartphone is a marvel of design, offering a vivid AMOLED display with a high refresh rate and a sleek, modern look. It boasts robust memory and connectivity with support for 5G and the latest Wi-Fi versions. Its camera captures stunning images, and the technical specifications, including the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset and the Android V14 OS, ensure smooth performance. In the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro, you find a phone that's not just smart, but also sophisticated, functional, and up-to-date with the latest trends in technology.
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.